Welcome back, everyone. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing another passive earning opportunity called HiFami. Trust me, you want to watch this video all the way to the end because I'll be showing you everything you need to know to get started. But before we continue, I need to make something very clear. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. If you've been searching for a platform that will make you rich overnight, then this update is probably not for you. HiFami is a platform that rewards users for completing daily activities and tasks within the app. The earnings are task-based, and understanding how the platform works is important if you want to maximize your rewards. Disclaimer: this video is for informational and educational purposes only. I am not affiliated with, endorsed by, or officially connected to the HiFami app or its developers. All opinions expressed in this video are my own. I do not guarantee any results, earnings, or outcomes from using this platform. Please do your own research and use your own judgment before engaging with any platform or service discussed in this video. Now that we've got that out of the way, let's get started.
About how you earn on HiFami. There are several ways to earn on HiFami. Logging in continuously for 7 to 30 days, leveling up your farm, playing the Monopoly game, hitting bosses, inviting friends, stealing Playmate points, completing daily tasks and special tasks. Don't worry if that sounds confusing right now because I'll be breaking down every feature step by step in this video. To avoid missing anything important, make sure you watch until the end. And if you appreciate updates like this, kindly hit the like button and leave a comment sharing your observations or questions about the platform. About how to register. To get started, click the registration link in the description of this video. When registering, make sure you enter the invitation code provided in the description because it may qualify you for a sign-up bonus. After successfully creating your account, you will be taken to the main dashboard. About claiming your sign-up bonus. At the top of the screen, you will see the diamond icon. If the sign-up bonus promotion is still active when you register, your bonus will be displayed there. Simply click the diamond icon, select the amount equivalent to the bonus you received, click Withdraw Now. If your withdrawal is successful, your diamond balance will increase automatically.
Important note: larger withdrawals usually take longer to process and may take up to 2 weeks or more before reaching your bank account. Smaller withdrawals, such as the $1 withdrawal option, tend to process much faster and can sometimes reflect almost immediately. Personally, I prefer withdrawing directly to my OP account whenever possible. About farming and leveling up. One of the most important activities on HiFami is farming. To harvest your farm, click the sickle icon. Collect your harvested rewards. Watch your upgrade meter. Whenever the upgrade bar turns fully green, click it to level up. The upgrade section also serves as your task and earn panel. If you've completed any daily or earning tasks, you'll notice the claim button blinking, indicating that rewards are available for collection. Always claim your rewards as soon as they become available. Besides the task icon, you will find the Butler, also known as the Housekeeper. The Butler automatically claims your harvest for you and helps protect your farm from Playmates who may steal your unclaimed rewards. To activate the Butler, click Withdraw. Select Shop. Locate the Butler. Click Activate. The Butler costs 750 Naira and remains active for 7 days. Once the 7 days expire, you will either need to renew it or continue harvesting manually. If you are busy and don't always have time to open the app, the Butler can be very useful.
Joining a family. At the bottom of the screen, you will see the Family tab. Joining a family provides additional benefits and rewards. To join, tap the family icon, browse available families. Join any active family. Active families generally provide better participation opportunities and can help improve your overall earning experience. You can also add Playmates within the platform. A Playmate costs coins to add, which means you will need to purchase or acquire the required coins first.
The primary advantage is that you can steal unclaimed gold from inactive playmates. This extra gold can help you increase your earnings, upgrade faster, level up more efficiently. However, this feature is completely optional. To add a playmate, open any family, select a member, click Add Playmate. Remember, every playmate added comes with a coin cost. The Monopoly game is another earning opportunity inside HiFami. To play, click the dice icon. Long press the Go button. Continue moving around the board. As you play, don't forget to keep harvesting your farm.
To play the rabbit hole game, whenever a rabbit appears from a hole, quickly tap its head. Collect bonus gold rewards. To play the drum game, sometimes a rabbit will appear under one of several drums. Watch carefully as the drums shuffle. Before the timer runs out, select the drum you believe contains the rabbit. If correct, you'll receive bonus gold. Gold is important because it helps you upgrade faster. Once you've used all your dice, simply wait for the dice counter to refill before playing again. So that's everything you need to know to get started with HiFami. If you're planning to try the platform, let me know in the comments below. And if you discover any new features or any strategies, share them with the community so we can all learn together. If you found this video helpful, please smash that like button. It really helps this content reach more people. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss future updates. This is Hustle Smartly with Emmanuel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.